Good day, everybody. We've got this LED light bug zapper here, model number DYW-006. Light plus electric, no chemical harmful gas. These guys sent this to me for an unboxing review. Here's everything that came in the box. Some of the features on this thing. It's got this silicone hanging strip here, which has a snap to it as well. And there's a glow strip right around here. And then got the on-off and auto here, the power on and auto activation switch. Here is the beads light panel, and then the electric wire net as well. Now here's the active sensor indicator, and then also right next to that is where you're going to want to charge this thing up at with your charging cable here. It's got this brush here for cleaning off the bugs. All right, I'm just charging this thing up right now. It's got that red light on there. I've charged this thing up. Let's go ahead and turn this on. And then this is the auto right there. You push this auto button a couple times, it changes the light too. Brighter. So it's got blue, a little bit bright, and brightest. This is great. The bugs are kind of attracted to this light anyway, and I got the bug zapper here waiting for them. Nice, it's got that little strap at the top to hang it too. Yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes out here, and they're just doing a good job of killing all the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes seem to be attracted to this quite a bit. You see, this thing's working really good already. See all the bugs all over it out here? I'll just go clean that off with the brush after I turn it off. This little bug zapper did good. Got lots of bugs. Just take this brush and just clean them off of there. Get them bugs out of there. Get it all nice and clean. Seems to be the best way to clean the bugs out is to lay this thing sideways and just kind of scoop them off like this.